Next, we will create a DNA class, uh, public class DNA. Okay, first field it will be uh, public float R, public float G, public float B, public float A, public S for scale. This is really simple class, but it play a big role how do our simulation work. So what does this do? We are basically creating four public float variable R, G, and P stand for red and green and blue. This will control the color of the person. S for the size. This control how big or small the person appears in a scene. In other words, this DNA class hold the trace for each character in our population. Later we will see how this value gets randomly generated, passed down the next generation, and sometimes even mutated. It's a pure simple version how the real DNA works, but perfect for our project. Every person has DNA, private DNA, current DNA, it will be, and we need to set, make function set DNA for every person. Get set DNA. It will be this to current DNA equal DNA, and also make function to set the size of the person. It will be transfer dot local sphere. It will be vector 1 multiply with current DNA dot s, which is scale of character. Let's go to population manager then and try to also set that DNA for every person and rename, set the person DNA first of all. It will be person.set DNA. We will create the DNA. It will be DNA equal DNA. It will equal new DNA, and we will set the random value for starting DNA dot R. It will be random value dot range dot value. It will give us value between 0 and 1. Same thing with R and G and B, and then for S scale it will be also try it with random dot value. Then we'll assign the DNA for this function and try how it will work. Let's try it now. Set this and set the size, and we'll see how it will affect, and try it. Oh, it's work fine, but we have a small character here and big character. I think we have to change the how it will be the size of the character. Let's back to our Visual Studio and change the value, and I think if give range between 0.5 to 2, it will be good for our case. Let's try again. Try compiling to see now the size of the character and person. It's look good now. And now let's go to our prefab person to explain how we can change the color of the person. If we go to body and humanoid, there is a children of skin mesh render, and you will see material universal render pipeline simple lit, and you will change the base color here. Now it's the default one, it's red. And what we need to go to our person to create a function like a set size, and we will name it public void set color, same as set size, public void set color. How we'll access the color? We have to ask to access to skin mesh render to change the material. Then we will change the color of the material, or generating new material for that. Now we will create a new material using the shader.find. I will find the suitable shader. It will be universal render pipeline slash lit now, and we'll assign this new material to our skin mesh render. Yeah, like this. Now it should work. Now we will change the color of the material by using this function base color, and set new color. It's coming from our DNA, current DNA R and G and P, to give the material the color. Then we will call this function in for like size to check. Let's try it. We have an error here, something wrong. Let's try to check if we are saved or not. We save our code. I think we have the problem in somewhere. Oh, okay. I checked. Here we have a mistake. Skin meshed. We didn't get components. We have to get component in children. Now I think it will work. Let's try again. Yes, we have our person with different color. That's great. What we need now, when we press on our person, we need it to disappear. It will be by disable skin match and the capsule collider, capsule.enable equal false, and save, and let's try it. Compiling now and start. Okay, now hit. Now our person, it's disappear when we are click on it. That's good for now. Now we will create lifetime for every person, and starting with 0. And in update function, update, we will increase lifetime by time.delta time. And we also need the time when the person will die. When we are pressing on the person, the person will die, and we will save this time. And also we need another variable to check if the person is alive. That's mean the lifetime will be increase. If die, it will be stop, like this. Here when we are pressing on the mouse down will be die, and we will refactoring and make function die. And then let's try if everything will work. Compiling now and check. This is our character, and switching to debug.log to check the lifetime it's work. Now lifetime it's work, as we see. and lifetime 12, and it's die when with 12. Since more refactoring here, first initialize when first when we're creating first population. We will create a trial time. It will be 10, and the generation will be starting with 1 also. Generation equal 1. No. Okay. Now we need a list of the person, and we name it population equal list of the person. We have a mistake here. Using we have to using system.generic, I think. System dot collection dot generic. Now good. Here we will add this person we are already created or instantiated.